Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove Google Forms responses. If you need to delete individual or all responses from Google Form while keeping the form itself intact, Google Forms provides an easy way to remove responses. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Google Form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com, click on it, and once the website workspace.google.com/product/forms appears, click on it and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once you log in, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms account's dashboard. From here, select the form you want to delete the responses in, and after opening that form, click on the responses tab. You're going to see it here. It's in the middle, top. Click on it. Now after clicking on the responses tab, delete individual responses. You can do this by clicking on the three dots menu in the response tab and click delete individual responses and remove the ones you don't need. Or select them from here. You're gonna see the responses here and you can delete them manually. You can also delete all responses at once, and you can do that by clicking on the three dots menu in the response tab right here. Click on it, and as you can see a lot of options. This option will be available when you see a response. As you can see in this form, I don't have any responses. But if you have any response, this option will be available. Just click on it to permanently delete all responses on your form. The first step is to remove responses from Google Sheets. Now, if your Google Sheets is linked to your form, click on the View in Sheets. And once the docs.google website appears, make sure you select the rows containing the responses and delete them manually. As for the fifth step, turn off response collection. Now, if you no longer need new responses, toggle off accepting responses in the responses tab. And that's it for today's tutorial. Google Forms allows you to delete individual or all responses easily. Now, if your form is linked to Google Sheets, make sure to delete the responses from there as well. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.